To allow your kid to use an app you have on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra while in kids mode, to do so, open kids app, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then tap add and edit apps. Enter your current screen lock, or you can use your biometric. Tap plus icon at the top right. Select the desired app. Next, tap add icon at the bottom of the screen. Now, tap save button to save the change. A gift box appears on the kids app. Tap the box to open it. As you can see, the selected app is now displayed on the kids app, so your kid can use it while they are using your phone in kids mode. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.